Welcome to Coco's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Mimi's Science Experiment Adventure.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《米米的科学实验冒险》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. The forest was quiet this morning.
Koko stretched and looked outside.
The sky was painted in soft orange light.
Birds were singing their morning songs.
Mimi the field mouse came running over.
Koko, I need your help, said Mimi.
Koko put down her acorn and listened.
What happened? Asked Koko gently.
Mimi pointed to something in the distance.
Look. Do you see that? Said Mimi.
Koko looked where Mimi was pointing.
I have never seen that before, said Koko.
They both felt curious and excited.
Let us go find out, said Koko.
Mimi nodded with bright eyes.
Together? Asked Mimi.
Together, said Koko with a big smile. So they walked into the forest together.
Stay close to me, said Koko.
The path was long but they kept going.
Birds flew above them, singing softly.
Koko picked a small yellow flower.
This is for you, she said to Mimi.
Mimi started to feel a little better.
You always know how to help, said Mimi.
They stopped to rest by a big rock.
Koko sat down and looked at the sky.
We are almost there, said Koko. But Mimi still had a question.
Koko, what if I am not good enough?
Koko took both of Mimi's hands.
You are always good enough for me.
Mimi felt tears in her eyes.
But this time, they were happy tears.
The wind blew softly through the leaves.
Koko looked at Mimi and smiled.
Are you ready? Asked Koko.
I am ready, said Mimi bravely.
And then, it happened.
Mimi did it all by herself.
Koko clapped her tiny paws together.
You did it, Mimi, cheered Koko.
Mimi felt warm and proud inside.
I did not think I could do it.
But you did, said Koko. You really did.
Mimi hugged Koko so tight.
The whole forest seemed to celebrate. The other forest friends came running.
They had heard all about what happened.
You two are amazing, said a little bird.
Koko and Mimi laughed together.
The forest felt full of love tonight. Koko looked at Mimi one more time.
Believe in yourself, always.
Mimi nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, discover.
Mimi was discover in the big forest.
Word 2, explore.
In the forest, Mimi felt explore.
Word 3, curious.
Mimi was curious in the big forest. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
Believe in yourself, always.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.